Bro.
You still bitch.
Fact. Bro, get out, bro. What you up? You, bro, you been in here long as a bitch, bro. Bro, you here trying to get sexy and all this gay ass shit. Get out, bro. I'm trying to wash my eyes, bro.
Bro, don't worry about what I got going on in here.
What's wrong with dude?
I want done, pussy ass nigga.
Get out,
take
bro.
Time, nigga. Bro, you a hating ass nigga, but you ain't, man.
I'm a hating ass nigga.
I want done.
Bro, I'm your #1 supporter, bitch. What the fuck is you talking about? Tell bitch ass out, bro. I'm trying to wash my eyes, bro.
I drank a day hoe and all 3 of them bottles. Don't fuck that. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, then you just use all the fucking, bro, what the water?
Because you don't know how to do it hot, nigga. Do it the other way, dumbass nigga, the bottom.
Bro,
use
just turn up, bro. Alright, bro. Just get yourself together, bro.
I'm done.
Turn the hot water on, though, bro.
Use the bottom one.
Bro, I don't know how to do that shit, bro. Obviously, nigga, that shit's still cold. I'm literally ain't no words on there. You up here jagging and shit, get the fuck out.
I don't know what I be jagging, bro. Oh, you good right there, bro. Hey, nice, man.
Fuck Damn, bro, what the, bro? You ain't never take my towel.
No, I ain't even use them, bro. I didn't use your shit, nigga.
You a weird ass nigga. You in the mirror shaking your ass, air drying like a bitch. This nigga fat. Hey, freeze. Freeze. This nigga up there air drying in the mirror shaking his ass like a bitch. This nigga Max. This nigga, I go upstairs. I need a towel. He upstairs. So I ain't even dry off. I ain't even use my towel. Like, what the fuck? How your gay ass dry up? Bitch. No bullshit. Oh, God. I need that gumbo down here, brother. I ain't gonna lie, fool. We ran out of that shit. I'm gonna come back though in 5 days. I'll be back. Hey, bro. Who live is this? Oh, this your shit. I ain't gonna lie, your shit dumping, though. I'm gonna go get showered.
Over here again, you ain't never got to take it apart.
I talk about 6, 8, 8, 9.
You said you be smoking that shit all day?
You ain't never cooked no time.
I've been smoking weed since 4th grade.
Yeah, me too.
And you ain't never cooked no brick that had to take it apart.
But like that ain't no funny. Like that ain't no funny. That ain't no funny shit. With my child and my kids. You want to do it over? Because your lungs and shit show like it's like you too long for weed, bro. I get high